Okay, it's been a while I didn't upload a video with dialogues. It's because the lack of confidence and anxiety was kicking my butt. Forget about it. Okay, let's talk about this ugly ass. And how did I do him in Substance Painter? For making his skin, I just added multiple noisy fill layers with gradient and contrast luminosity with different settings on top and mask paint them all. I also changed the roughness value on the darker color layers and the one around the mouth to make it look more organic. To texturing the teeth and the nails, I used several layers with organic bone material on it. I changed the color on each one and masking them with different generators and filters. As you can see, I have a mask editor with a blur, a grunge fill with level, and a curvature generator for refining details. I also add a noisy texture with several filters, and I mask painted to refine the depth on the texture. For the inner mouth and the sclera, I just added a bunch of layers with different colors and different texture masks, nothing special. To be honest, when I was texturing this turtle, I had no idea what I was doing. It was the first time I using Substance Painter for such models, so I did things that makes the textures look good, not accurate. And I didn't record the workflow because I didn't switch the settings from Blender to Substance Painter on OBS Recorder. That's why you don't see the workflow on this video. You don't deserve this. You truly don't deserve this. I know, and I'm sorry. And I promise it won't happen again. For the iris I did the same, except I activate the height map, reduce it. I also had it to hand paint some of the details myself. And at least I use the same material for the nails and the teeth. In the shell of the turtle, I add the bubbling noise height map for this area. I hand painted these edges here on the shell, as you can see. For the roughness, I use a light direction generator mask, as you can see here on the roughness. And this is how I texture this turtle, but sadly I'm not happy with it. It's have a lot of problems, and all of those problems is because of my lack of experience in texturing and modeling. As you can see, on the nails and the teeth and the horns here, the texture do not have a good quality. Lots of details have been gone. but for the indie game we're going to make, it's good enough. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. See you later.